Welcome to Grandmother's Kitchen. Today, let's make a bunny cake.
Start with 2 8 or 9-inch cakes. Trim off some of the rounded top if the cakes have risen really high. We are working on a large wooden cutting board, but you can build your bunny cake on a large baking sheet as well. To make the pattern for the bunny, just use a piece of paper, trace around the cake pan and cut out the circle. To find the center, fold the circle in half, fold in half again. Place the cake pan about 1 inch from the center and trace the line. Fold the paper back in half and cut along the line. This forms the ears and the bow tie for the bunny. You can now see how the bunny is being formed. Place the cutout bow tie onto the center of the cake and cut each side off. Place the bunny onto the surface you have selected. In this cake, we decided to trim off some of the tie area to make it a nicer shape. Cut the pointy part off the ears so they snug up into the bunny head. Next comes the frostings. Spread the frosting onto the bunny. Continue spreading the frosting on your bunny, covering all the sides. Cut the licorice twizzles to make the whiskers. Cut your black jelly beans in half to make the eyes. Cut the pink jelly beans for the nose and buttons. Next, we are piping on some frosting to further decorate this bunny. We made some cheeks on this bunny's face. Again, if you're not piping icing, you can miss this step. Place the eyes and the nose onto the bunny. Now let's sprinkle on the large coconut flakes and we'll place the whiskers. This bunny's really looking cute. Here we're piping on a little mouth. Place the buttons on the bow tie. We've decided to pipe a little more icing onto the sides of this cake. Every bunny is going to have his own personality. The main thing is have fun and enjoy this wonderful little cake that you can make for special occasions. To find the recipes for the frostings and the cake, you can click on the links below that will take you to the recipes in the Grandmother's Kitchen website.